is, we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. So to find the quotient of the given polynomials, we need to use these 4 steps. Step 1, divide. Second, multiply. Third, subtract. Then, bring down. Kapag sa after bring down, proceed ka ulit sa step 1. Okay, step 1. We need to divide the first term of the dividend to the given divisor. First term to first term po tayo. Okay, that is step 1. Okay, divide x squared and x. Or x squared divided by x. X. So write your answer on the top of x squared. Then after that, what's next? Step number 2. Multiply your answer to our divisor. Lahat yan, anak. X plus 2. Apply distributive property. O x times x. X squared. Next, x times 2, 2x. So write your answer dito naman sa baba. This will become x squared plus 2x. O what is the operation? O after multiplication, subtraction. So subtract naman. So 5 minus 2, 3. Then bring down x. X squared minus x squared. Cancel. Then, last step, bring down 6. Then same procedure, step 1. Divide the first term of the given binomial to the first term of the divisor. So this will become 3x. Okay, 3x divided by x. Cancel what? X. Anong natira? 3. Positive, negative? Okay, this will become positive 3. Second step, multiply. Multiply your answer to our divisor. X plus 2. 3 times x. 3x. 3 times 2? Positive 6. Or write your answer here. 3x plus 6. What is the operation? Subtraction. Subtract. What is the answer? 0. Or what do you think will be the quotient of the given expression? X plus 3. O check natin kung tama ang sagot using the two operation. Times and plus. O what is the last term here? Positive 3 and positive 2. O 2 times 3. 2 times 3. 6. What is the sign? Positive. Dapat last digit niya, positive 6. Check natin sa addition. 2 plus 3. Dapat yung second digit niya, positive 5. Parehas po ba? If yes, the answer is correct.